Let's look at number 6. So we're going to write to say question 6. Okay, we have to be as fast as we can. We can move. Let's move. Given sets A, B, and C, draw a Venn diagram that satisfies each of the given conditions below. No problem. Venn diagram, come over here, sir. So let's see what it says for A. It says that we should draw a Venn diagram that shows that A is a subset of B. Okay. And C is a subset of B. Okay. And A intersection C is an empty set. So in other words, A and C have nothing in common. So I could just do this. This could be my set B. And if A is a subset of B and C is also, I could just put them inside. And yet they would have nothing in common. So they don't come and cross. They're disjointed. Because if they had something in common, they would come and cross like that. But I'll just put them inside in such a way that they don't do that. So for here, let's put them separate. So it's going to be like one goes here, then the other one here. So this is now A, and this is going to be C. All right? And this is something which can be correct. This is what you would have. Now let's do part B now. It says that C is a subset of A, and B and C is equal to empty set. So what do we do here now? C is a subset of A, and then B intersection C is equal to nothing. Nothing. So there is nothing in common between B and C. But C is a subset of A. So we could actually make it like this. To say here is set A, and then C is a subset of A. So this is going to be our C. And then if we want, we could, since this is our set A, now, we obviously know that there are many possibilities to this one, but we could just put, for example, I could make it like this and put my B like this, okay? Okay. B here and C will have nothing in common, and B is not a subset of A or anything. I've not broken any condition here, okay? I've said it, and these are the sets. Now, something is just coming to my mind right now to say, you know what? There's something which we can do about B, and that is not to put him anyway. We could do this. No B. B would be an empty set. This is also correct because the combination between an empty set and a set that has something is nothing as well. So B can be an empty set. So we may as well just leave B. This is also correct. And we have not broken anything. So I think that would be better than the first diagram which I had drawn. We can leave it like this to say, okay, B will be an empty set. You understand? And we'll only have A and C like this, and then we'll be done. So this is what you should have, and you can go on to the next one. All right, that is it. These are the solutions. These are my solutions for number 6. You can check with yours. All right, goodbye for now. I'll meet you in the next one where I'm doing number 5.